world trade dropped very sharply in the financial crisis of 2008. And then it bounced back, but it did not bounce back quite all of the way. And since now this is the share of world GDP, so this is showing world trade in absolute terms it has been growing, but it has actually been growing slightly more slowly than the world economy. We're not seeing a retreat from international trade, but we are seeing a plateau. It's really, for a couple of years it was possible to argue that this was a temporary phenomenon, but at this point we really are looking at about 10 years when you're not seeing a continuation. The data strongly suggest that hyperglobalization reached its limit, that hyperglobalization is a story about the past, not a story about the present, or rather the progress of hyperglobalization. Anecdotal evidence agrees with this. If we have many stories now of firms that extended their supply chains globally, and then at a certain point said, well, we've gone too far. In pursuit of lower labor costs, we have created logistics that are too difficult, too hard to manage, that we want to at least bring some of our production back to closer to markets so that we're able to respond to changes more easily. If some of that has involved return of small amounts of manufacturing to high-wage countries. One of the questions we've been asking in the United States is, we ask, where's the demand for labor? People talk about skills being in short supply, but where are the skilled workers who are seeing large wage increases? Well, it's quite rare, hard to find. But one skill that has seen large wage increases in recent years is skilled sewing machine operators. Because of some, not much, but some garment production has moved back to the United States as people retreat a little bit from hyperglobalization. And it turns out we have nobody who knows how to do that anymore, nobody who knows how to produce apparel. So we have a shortage and rising wages for those skills.